Hello, this is Mill here. How you doing, lovely people? So today I installed my battery terminals. So this one is connected because my sliding door be blanking. So these the ones I installed so I could put my DC to DC battery charger cables on one of them. Um, so I have a question. Do anyone know about the sliding door? Cause mine will blank and I disconnect. If I'm sitting for a long period of time, I'll disconnect one of my battery terminals so it won't drain my battery. Um, it don't do it all the time. It depends on how the van is sitting, or sometime when I park, if the van ain't level, and I don't have the original door on it. I had bought another Sprinter door because the one that came with this, the owner had got it in a wreck, and they was gonna charge me a lot, and I would have came out cheaper just buying the door. And I found this from a person, and they only charged me $250 for the door. And so someone told me to put aluminum foil on these right here. Um, so I'm finna try that and see if it worked. Because the door did not come with the sensors, so I had to cut it and install this to come out through it. So I'm thinking maybe because it's not having enough connection, about this much on each end, and I sand it down. I seen a lot of people do that. I sand it down, and it did a lot better when I sand it down. Before I sand it down, it will stay on constantly. But after I sand it down, it's like, depends on how I park, or how the van is sitting. So I'm gonna try the aluminum foil, and I'll come back and let you know if it worked. But in the meanwhile, can anyone let me know, or do you have the same issues, or have you had the same issues? I just want to know your thoughts. Thank you. Y'all have a happy Wednesday. It's sad. I don't keep up with the days. So I'll come back later and show you what I did installing the DC-DC battery charger. I still waiting on one wire. So I'll do that. So thank you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.